exhibition, titled as Seen Unseen, is a visual map of communication which occurs when one slows down to look and reflect in hidden spaces and meanings within banal images and experiences. This survey exhibition has been presented by Michael Kempson, who is undoubtedly one of the leading printmakers in Australia. As an artist, Michael Kempson explores quiet transformation of ordinary objects, repetitive procedures, and simple scenarios of everyday life, which includes gloomy structures and ambient spaces. When combined with his mastery of drawing and exceptional command over the printmaking medium, such ideas result in a visual resistance to the dominance of consumer and commercial imagery. This survey exhibition also concentrates on exquisite etchings from Kempson's earliest works to the most recent that has been created specifically for this exhibition.
The seed pod I use the seed pod as a symbol. Not only is it a symbol evocative of natural growth, but it's a symbol that I use to represent regeneration, rebirth and new life, essentially what a seed does.
And I came with Michael to bring this show here to Pakistan, and Michael is one of the top premier master printmakers in Australia. Printmaking was on a downhill decline in Australia in those days, and once Michael has been part of the University of New South Wales and part of COFA, the trend has been completely reversed, and he's revived printmaking nationally and internationally.
Artist Michael Kempson is originally from Southern Australia, who has studied from the College of Fine Arts, University of New South Wales in Sydney, specialising in printmaking. He has been exhibiting since 1983 with a total of 21 solo exhibitions and an extensive number of group exhibitions nationally and internationally. His work is also represented in the National Galleries of Australia, and this extraordinary exhibition in Karachi will continue until Thursday, April the 15th, 2010. Sophia Jamal, Dawn News.